Good morning. The topic which I mentioned yesterday in my wall page, that the education of housewives, means the wives and the husband. Much of the Indian wives, they remain less educated as compared to the husbands. And in my career also, I have seen that my friends who have studied, means they have got a degree, means PhD, before their marriage, and some have even got after their marriage. But the comparison is always there, the comparison between the education degree, and the encouragement is really less. Not all the wives, they get the encouragement and the respect of their degrees, respective degrees, inside the family, inside the house. Because outside, obviously the society or institutes, they would respect, but the kind of respect which is required inside the house, means inside the family, that is somewhere lacking. I have got many friends who have got degrees, and even after PhD also, they have remained as housewives. So education or the degree does not always has to be like compared with the kind of money somebody is earning. The degree should always carry some amount of some quantity of money as a salary, because the friends who have remained as household, of course they are doing work, and whatever knowledge they have got during their PhD and other degrees, they are applying it in their household. So the means kind of the feedback which should be got, that is always there. But there's a misunderstanding actually, that after a degree, if a woman decides to remain as a housewife, then it is somewhere a mistake. uh, it is a general thinking, and that is how much of the Indian families, they do not go for educating their daughters to higher degrees. They restrict their daughters and uh, think that remaining housewife or the household works would be enough for her, or the degrees are not required. But I think that all the kind of degrees the women or the girls, they are doing, those will be fruitful in some way or the other. Maybe not right away, means after getting the degrees, but someday or the other they would be making fruitful of their degrees. And lots of my friends are there, and I do see them doing a lot of hard work inside their household, the carrying out family business, and whatever is there in their houses and families, taking the responsibilities. So they are not empty handed. If they would have worked outside the family, then obviously they would have got a lot of earnings. But remaining inside the house, taking care of the families, is should not be valued with money. If we compare the salary of a nurse, a housekeeper, and a business person inside the house, all that works togetherly, the housewives are actually earning. That is the salary.